my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is me, Jhem, and welcome to my another makeup tutorial. Anyway, today I'm gonna do an Arabian summer makeup wear. If you wanna learn something this video, just keep on watching. Is I have to put this kind of gel. This one is a collagen eye mask while I'm drawing my eyebrows. So, cause you know what? I put this in the refrigerator. Look. Look. Oh my god. Looks so funny, you know. But anyway, so next is I'm gonna draw my eyebrow, okay? So this one is a music flower for 24 hours long wear gel eyeliner. And I have this kind of DYS angle liner brush. So I will finish this later. Okay, so the next thing is I'm gonna apply this kind of Sephora beauty amplifier. Okay, so the next is I have this kind of concealer. This one, it's 29 Point Page Rose by Sephora. Alright, so we're gonna spread this concealer in my eyes. So this one, it's H&M foundation and concealer brush. So I'm gonna use this. Alright. So maybe you can see this a little bit darker, this one, than the other one. Well, that's not yet finished, okay? So I'm just forming an eyebrow only, okay? Okay, so I have this N100. This one is for Kiko Milano. And you have the pop out here in your eye. Oh my god. Hey! You renew my makeup, huh? Okay, so the next is I have this tapered eye color brush by H&M. So okay, so I have this Sephora palette to take away intense coffee collection. It's so beautiful. I love the color. Look how the color it is. It's a chocolate, like a coffee color. I'm gonna try this kind of brown. Oh, see? And I'm gonna apply it here first. You see that? Again. So that is way much. So we need to put a little bit brown. Okay, so the next is I'm going to mix other color. So I'm gonna use the brush by Sephora. Okay, so beautiful. It's quite heavy, a little bit. So, and the next is I have this gleaming palette by Stone Sephora. I love the design, it's so beautiful. And look the inside. Anyway, so we're gonna mix it by this kind of color, the topaz. Yeah, why not? If we should try. Voila! Bunga, right? After that is we're gonna form the eyebrow again. For Arabian eyebrow, okay? So I have this music flower long gel for 24 hours. And my DYS angle eyeliner. Obviously why I'm looking here because I have this mirror. Alright, so have this kind of eyebrow gel, this one for 24 hours from BYS. Okay, so, well... Look, so I'm gonna brush this by H&M, the Brown and Luscious brush. And the next is, I'm gonna apply the liquid eyeliner by Sephora. This one is a colorful eyeliner, waterproof. But I don't know why they call this colorful, but for me, the color inside, it's black. Thank God. Okay, best friend, you know. Alright. Okay, I did. Proud of yourself. I'm so proud of you, girl. You did it. See, I made it, you know. Oh my god, I'm shouting here because I'm very happy. This is my fears when it comes to makeup. Okay, so anyway, after that, while it's still drying up, so I'm gonna apply this eye pencil by Nichido. So I put it here in my eyeliner. Okay, so we're gonna remove this gel. Oh, so relaxing. Look. So cool, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush for my eye. This one is Eye Color Cream brush by H&M. I'm gonna apply this kind of makeup by MAC. So I'm gonna use this brown. I'll apply this. And I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I'm gonna apply this Sephora liquid eye pencil. To the other side. Amazing, right? Alright, so the next is we're gonna apply this kind of amplifier by Sephora. So we're gonna apply the concealer by Sephora. It's 29 Beige Rose. Voila! Okay, then after that, I have this kind of Kiko Milano, the foundation. Unlimited, oh, this one. Cool. And the next is, I'm gonna use this kind of powder. This one by Sephora. So I'm gonna use this kind of brush, the Plush Powder brush. It's very beautiful. I love the design. It looks like a shrimp black, like a diamond. It's a gold. Amazing, you know? So I'm gonna pop it out here. Voila, you know? So I'm gonna draw how to call this, a nose line. So I'm gonna use this eye color brush by H&M, and I'm gonna use the MAC color for my nose line. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna start it here. That's how I do my nose line. I'm gonna start it here, close to the eyebrow. So what I'm doing is I use my finger as always. I love mixing with my finger. Alright, so the next is I'm gonna apply this BYS Matte Compact Powder. So I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put this, okay? And I will use the brush by H&M. This one. Alright, so I'm gonna use this brush to spread this matte BYS Kabuki. Okay, so the next is I already put the edges of the contour in my side of my face. And the next is I'm gonna put the mascara in my lower one. So I'm gonna apply this Wet n Wild first coat, and the second coat is the Kiko Milano the mascara. So this one is for the lower only. Amazing. Okay, so the next is we're gonna put some contour. Okay, so the next is I'm gonna apply the compact contour in my face. So this one by H&M brush, and I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris back to bronze, you know. So the next is I'm applying the contour again by Sephora. Okay, so next is I'm gonna use the blusher by BYS, the Perfectly Peachy. I really love this. This is my really favorite. Okay, so the next is I'm gonna put some like glitters here, a little bit, and I'm gonna use this highlighter Dew Let It Glow by H&M. So I'm gonna use this a little bit pinkish, and I'm using the brush by H&M. It's so cute and pinkish. Get ready, relax it in my lips already. So I'm gonna use the H&M lip definer before I'm gonna apply the final color of my lips. Alright, so I'm gonna use the final color of my lips. It's for MAC. Amazing. Voila! Almost finished. And the last is I'm gonna apply the lip gloss by Sephora. Oh my god. So anyway, I'll see you soon. I'm gonna show you the final look of my outfit. Alright ladies, so this is it. This is my Arabian summer makeup look. So I hope you learned something with my video. So anyway, don't forget to just like, leave comment below, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.